Tonight, hurricane conditions possible. Mostly cloudy. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid. The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Carolina Emergency Management Agency, Charleston, South Carolina. The South Carolina Emergency Management Division has issued a civil emergency message due to the possible threat of Hurricane Dorian. The governor of South Carolina is mandating an evacuation effective until noon today. Everyone in the following zones must evacuate: Charleston, Dorchester, and Berkeley counties evacuation zones A, B, C, D, and G. Colleton County Evacuation Zones A and B, Beaufort County Evacuation Zone A, Jasper County Evacuation Zone A. Visit South Carolina Emergency Management Division.org for more information, or call South Carolina's Emergency Helpline at 1-866-246-0133. The official National Weather Service forecast for the listening area. Tonight, hurricane conditions possible. Mostly cloudy. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s.